right now I'm watching this. This is London's eye. So we swept London's eye right there. Swept London's eye. And this, I'm watching this other block and see if you can do what you can trade below it, so it becomes our breaker right there. And mark that as the breaker. We've not traded below it, so I'll need a trade below it before it can become the breaker. So I'll sit still because I still expect price to do what, to walk higher from here. But as of right now, I'm still understanding what we swept what London's eye. Then we are doing all this trade below here. So I still want higher prices, but at the same time I'm kind of using it to like read and measure what order flow. But we failed to close below this order this bullish order block. So I'm still a little bit skeptical about lower prices. So you would only confirm lower prices if we can get below this low at any time from now. So as soon as we get below this low, yes, I'll confirm that is lower prices. But all what is showing me right here is we really don't want to be going there. Let's go to the 15 minutes. So it's just okay. Let's go to the 5 minutes. So we just tapped into like a 5 minutes fair value gap, which is nice, which means we are likely to do what, move higher from here. Nice. So attacking this relative equal highs that is right there. So that is the area. So I'm looking at that as a 5 minutes balance price range. Well, that's a 15-minute BPR too. So I like to see this as a 5 minutes BPR. So that's what I see. Can we displace below that low? Let's see that reach for the breaker right there. Yeah, that candle. That was crazy. I like lower prices from here. You see that? There you go. Reaching for the breaker there. So what's this right here? So I would like for us to do what? Stay. Yeah. And start working lower from here. Anything above that, I'm not interested anymore. Let me remove this 5-minute BPR. And this is a 1-minute breaker. So I like to just walk lower from here. I would have loved to put my stops a little bit above the breaker consequence encroachment, but this is a 5-minute balance price range, so that's where my stops will remain at. So I want what lower prices from here. Anything below this PDRA, which is what our breaker block, and also this is a CB. It's just sitting right there. So anything that make us do what inverse in this CB tells me what we're not willing to do what work lower from here now. So that's why my confidence is in this trade that we won't reprice all the way to the upside, because what we are at where the breaker 1, 2, there is a 5-minute what balance price range right there. So all that is what's giving me confidence in this trade, that this trade what it will pan out. And then I go to the 5-minute once more. Let me go and outline that BPR there. 1 sec. Let me put this to remain on what's the 1 minute. Current interval only. Then 5 minutes. You can see on the 5 minutes from the high to this low right here. Now what's our 5-minute BPR? You can see what price did. Came back to this inversion level, and what do we see there? We even fail to do what? Close, even in close proximity with it, and we start working lower from here. All that to me is what is bearish. Let me put this as what visibility on what current interval. So So I'd like for us to do what? Start working lower from here. We have 1 more minute to what? We have 1 more minute. Institutional order flow entry drill. We have 1 more minute to what? 9:30 open. So I'd like to see how we work from here. Let me mark out the 9:30 open as soon as we open. Yep. So I like that next candle. Nice one. Reach for the breaker one more time. I would like for us to walk lower from here. So that is nice. You can see even the 9:30 can't defy this trading. That's the 9:30 opening range right there. So how many points is that? Ooh, this other block right here. So as soon as we close below it, right there, start seeing us work the what? Mean threshold. So I'd like for us to do what? Continue lower from here. You know, this is the 9:30 open, so we have all this consolidation. Come on, look at that shit. Come on. What's going on? Okay. Nice. GG. So